Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm okay. I'm getting better. I've been struggling with some sort of bug and it almost took me out all the way out, y'all. But I'm back. My voice is a little sus. Let's talk about today's hair sponsor and I'll tell you all the details about what I have installed. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Beauty Forever Hair. We love Beauty Forever Hair. I've collaborated with them a bunch of times on my channel, around 7 or so times. I love their wigs. Every single wig that I've gotten from them has always been full, soft, and just that girl. What I have installed today is a 24-inch 7x5 pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-styled glueless closure wig. This is in the golden brown highlighted color, and of course this is the OG favorite texture. What is it? If you know me, you know it is water wave. Okay. Okay, so that's what it's giving without any product or anything on the lace. I'm just gonna go in with some powder. It's fluffy. I'm gonna cut a tiny bit of the ends off.
Is it true? You actually think of me as less than you?
I like to thin out my baby hairs because anywhere where I notice there's just like too much of like a solid line of demarcation, meaning like hairs where it's like solid, that means it's gonna be too much baby hairs for me. And you can go in with your favorite product. I'm going in with my Lace Lineage melting spray.
All of the obstacles, she just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright.
We're happy with that. Same thing, we're gonna make sure we pluck any unwanted hairs. A little melt band. Big fluffy hair, we love that. Okay, that should be enough. And the last thing we're gonna want to do is just pluck a few hairs from the front of the hairline right here. You don't want the hairline to be too straight because that looks unnatural. If it's all the same like start, it's not gonna look real. So just go in and pluck a few hairs from the front. And there we have it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is beautiful. Up close. This is what she's giving. The back. wouldn't be a caviarkezzy review without me putting it in a middle part bust down. And for this one, I want to define the curls, so we're gonna spray her down a little bit. And I'm just gonna use water, I think, maybe a tiny bit of hair gel. Really make sure it's saturated nicely, and brushing or combing through it, that's gonna give you beautiful curls. If you wet the hair and you're not brushing the curls or combing the curls, there's no point of wetting the hair. You might as well just not wet it. Okay, so those are steps that you have to do. You can't just wet it and hope for the best. A brush like this works really well. I have to admit, those knots are bleached very nicely. It looks really good. I'm gonna come back once this is dried. I did also cut the ends. I love the density on this unit. Super full, and it's so pretty. The highlights are gorgeous and they're everywhere. It's such a nice color on my skin tone. Water wave texture, so pretty. I'm so glad that I did wet her down so you guys can see the natural curl pattern. It is gorgeous. Definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna jump into a few other styles, like maybe at least one more other style, and see what we can come up with. I'm thinking something like up, because it does have a beautiful hairline, so we want to showcase some of that. So I'm thinking about doing something with, like, you know, that diagonal part kind of thing. I don't know, we'll see what I can do, girl. I'm gonna go in with some hairspray. Right, so we got that part done. I mean, this is cute too. It came parted in a deep C curve side part, and I'm eating it up. It looks so good. I'm impressed. I think this is so pretty. And look how much lace space you have. It really does look like a frontal. 7x5 is the best when it comes to closure wigs, because you have maximum parting space, yet you don't have to like secure the ear tabs, because not everybody knows how to secure the ear tabs. And I think that's what makes a wig install easy or complicated. It's this part around your sideburns, ear area. You might think, really, this looks complicated too. No, because this is constructed to be put on and go. When you have to secure all of this, you have to fit it, you have to cut it. That's too much work. It's already pre-cut, fits around your ear. All you do, put it on and you're ready to go. Yeah, sign me up. Gets a 10 out of 10. I'm going to purchase this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box for you. Anyway, guys, I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye for now.